Okay. So I think we are good to start.
Yes.
A very good evening to all of you. Thank you for connecting with us today. We have on board Dr. Fatima Shire with us in our second event of the webinar series during this pandemic. Dr. Fatima Shire has done her graduation, MBBS and post-graduation MS in ophthalmology from BJ Medical College, Civil Hospital, Ahmedabad. She has secured third rank in University of her MS degree. She has worked as an eye surgeon of Amreli District Hospital and sub-district hospitals at Savarkundla. She has also worked as a consultant eye surgeon in Vasan Eye Care and Prisma Eye Care Hospital in Surat. She also practices vision therapy and has been trained for facial aesthetic procedures like Botox and fillers. She routinely performs cataract surgeries with conjunctival autograft with glue, LASIK surgeries, and corneal scleral lid and canalicular tear repair. She has surgical success rate of 98.4%. She is especially interested in treating various binocular vision anomalies, convergence insufficiency, accommodative excess, and insufficiencies. She is associated with us with Burhani Hospital since 2016, and she's currently working with Burhani Hospital and Venus Hospital, Surat. We welcome you, doctor, and thank you so much for giving your precious time today.
Thank you, Dr. Khadija. I welcome you all on this pandemic, eye care during the pandemic. So let us start our webinar today. Slide. As we all know, how the COVID-19 virus spreads. It basically spread through our nose, mouth, as well as our eyes, and it enters our body and affects our respiratory system. So, care of our eyes by not touching, avoid touching of our eyes is very necessary to prevent entry of virus into our body. Okay, so why just I am sharing my screen, please wait. Yes. So to protect our eyes and overall health, basic norms, basic COVID appropriate behavior is very necessary, like avoid touching our eyes, protective eyewear, washing our hands frequently, frequent sanitization, and avoid close contact and practice of social distancing. So one thing nowadays, what happened during the lockdown and again after the lockdown, from kids to adults, we are very much used to our screen. Basically, આપણા entertainment માટે એ તો પછી નહીતર online shopping હોય કે પછી students નું બચ્ચાઓનું online schooling અને work from home. These are the things which are very much into our routine now. So during the pandemic, our screen time has increased a lot. So seeing a physical object, real object, and seeing a digital screen, both is a different thing, because our eyes have to work continuously to focus. Because screen પર જે picture હોય છે, એ જે image બને છે, બહુ બધા pictures બહુ જ fast speed માં move થઈને એક image બને છે. For that, our eye has to focus, defocus every time. So working on a screen gives eye strain. Okay. અને જ્યારે આ સ્ક્રીન ટાઈમ આપણો બહુ વધી જાય છે, more than 2 hours, it gives rise to various symptoms in our eye, like જેમ મેં આગળ વાત કરી કે બહુ બધા ઇમેજ ભેગી થઈ અને એક પિક્ચર ક્રિએટ કરે છે. આ બહુ ફાસ્ટ થતું હોય, ઓલમોસ્ટ લાઈક 120 times per second, જે આપણે ડિફરન્શિએટ નથી કરી શકતા, બટ અવર આઈ હેવ ટુ ફોકસ ઓન ધીસ. એના લીધે આઈમાં ઇરિટેશન થાય, આઈમાં કયા સિમ્ટમ્સ આવે છે ડિજિટલ આઈ સ્ટ્રેનના લીધે? આઈમાં ઇરિટેશન થાય, આંખમાં ખંજવાળ આવે, આંખ લાલ થઈ જાય, આંખમાંથી પાણી પડે, ઘણી વખત ઝાંખું દેખાવા લાગે, ડબલ દેખાવા લાગે, અને પ્રોપર પોસ્ચરમાં અગર સ્ક્રીન યુઝ ના કરવામાં આવે તો નેક અને શોલ્ડર પેઇન, આવા સિમ્ટમ્સ જોવા મળે છે. તો આ નહીં થાય એના માટે આપણે શું કરવું જોઈએ એનું ડિસ્કસ કરીએ. ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ વેરી ફોરમોસ્ટ થિંગ ઇઝ ટુ કરેક્ટ યોર રિફ્રેક્ટિવ એરર. જો તમારે ચશ્માના ગ્લાસ હોય તો પહેરીને જ સ્ક્રીન પર કામ કરવું જોઈએ. અગર નથી અને આ સિમ્ટમ્સ છે તો ગેટ યોર આઈઝ ચેક, વેધર તમે આ કામ કર્યા પછી તો નંબર નથી આવ્યા ને. સો રેગ્યુલર આઈ ચેકઅપ ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ ફોરમોસ્ટ થિંગ. અગર બાળકમાં ચશ્મા હોય તો એને ચશ્મા પહેરીને જ કહેવાનું કે તમે સ્ક્રીન પર બેસો. બીજું, મોટાઓમાં આફ્ટર 40 જે બેતાલાના ચશ્મા આવે છે, અગર તમને એ નંબર છે તો તમારી કોમ્પ્યુટર ડિસ્ટન્સ જે છે, વર્કિંગ ડિસ્ટન્સ ઓન ટેબલ, એના માટે અલગ નંબર હોય તો get that number glasses first for your computer work. Okay. And another things like frequent break, and that we will discuss on the next slide. Another thing is screen setting. Make your screen comfortable to your eyes. Adjust the font size, brightness and contrast of the screen. That you have to minimize brightness of your screen. For that you have to decrease the surrounding light, but also again not in a dark, not too much dark. Okay. And then when you sit in front of the computer, light should come from behind, not directly into your eyes. Proper posture, like 90-degree angle between your hip and knee joint, proper rest for your shoulder and your elbow, wrist joint. Screen should be at eye level or just below that, so there is proper opening, not overexposure of eyes to the wind. So now let's learn ABCD of eye care. So we should be aware, agar bachchu screen જોઈ રહ્યું છે, school children, so mother should know when my child is doing things like rubbing his or her eyes frequently, or taking screen too much near, or if he or she is doing like tilting his or her head and seeing screen, then you might think of that child is not comfortable with vision. So we need to ask ourselves, or we need to observe our children, that how they are using screen, and after the screen time, do they have any problem? Next. Then we break every hour, so frequent breaks. There is a dictum called 20-20-20 rule. After every 20 minutes of your screen work, take break for 20 seconds and look at a distance of 20 feet. So that will relax the muscles which are focused for near while working on screen. So આ બહુ basic વસ્તુ છે જે ઘણી જરૂરી છે, frequent break, because when we sit at one place, our body also get stiff, and that muscles also require relaxation. Same, our eye muscles also require relaxation. So follow this 20-20-20 rule. How can we remind children? Put a note over the computer, put a note on your screen, Okay, there are apps also available which can remind you to take breaks, and tell them that after જેમ આપણે સ્કૂલમાં બચ્ચાઓને એક બે પીરિયડના વચ્ચે બ્રેક મળે એવી જ રીતે with the screen time while working on computer they need to take break. Okay, then cut down screen time. Actually we need to measure our screen time. અત્યારે આ પેન્ડેમિકમાં એડલ્ટ્સનો સ્ક્રીન ટાઈમ બહુ જ વધીને 8 to 12 hours per day થઈ ગયો છે, અને એવરેજ ચિલ્ડ્રન આર ઓલ્સો spending time like 6 to 7 hours per day. So basically we should not increase it too much. So we have to measure our screen time. And there are recommendations by WHO and American Academy of Pediatricians that how much screen time should be there for children, like 0 to 1 year, up to the age of 1 there should be zero screen time. Why? This is very tender age ત્યારે બચ્ચાઓનું development થાય છે. For that development they need to interact with the people, they physically they need to explore their surrounding, and that will give rise to, that will enable them to develop their vision development also and their overall development. 1 to 2 years of age only for video calling to their near and dear relatives, not for any entertainment purpose. No YouTube rhymes and story. Then 2 to 5 years of age, the recommendation is less than 2 hours a day. Okay, and 5 to 14 years, when they require more screen time, we have to see the benefit of it, and we have to see the risk benefit ratio. Okay, and so that's why this all is necessary. And the study says that increased screen time of more than 2.5 hours is nowadays, because of that there are issues of attention deficit and in the school. So ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disease, nowadays seen very common, which was not previously seen, because up to the age of 2 years the development, most of the development of child happens through the visual inputs. So visual skills like eye focusing, eye teaming, accommodation, depth perception, all this happens when they look and interact, they play different type of sports and interact with the people. The intellectual development happens by through. Just seeing on the screen hampers their development. So cut down screen time for children, it's very crucial. Okay, then diet and dehydration. So diet, nutrition rich diet is very good for eyes, like fruits and vegetables and proper intake of water. Another thing is exercise, eye exercise and physical exercise. Every day 1 hour of exposure to sunlight and outdoor playing is necessary for children as well as adults. So outdoor exposure to natural sunlight helps them to get the vitamin D, and that is good for eye development, and that prevents abnormal growth of eye tissue, and that hence they prevent development of myopia, that is called nearsightedness. And there are the other things like very small thing, but yeah, it is very necessary. Family time. So family time, active productive family time, when you interact with your child, discuss them with the everything what happened in the day rather than just sticking on screen. Okay, and meal time, during meal time people and children have tendency to use screen, that is also not advisable. Viral conjunctivitis. In 1 to 3% of the COVID-19 patient, first they presented with or they develop first symptoms is red eyes. So if you develop red eyes and then later on, if you develop symptoms like fever, headache, cough, breathlessness, body ache, myalgia, GI disturbance like diarrhea, then it can be COVID-19. So red eye can be seen as COVID-19 symptom. આપણે જે વાત કરી ડિજિટલાઇઝ ટ્રેન્ડના લીધે આઈમાં સિમ્પટમ્સ થાય છે ડ્રાયનેસ, એને પ્રોટેક્શન અને પ્રિવેન્શન માટે શું કરવાનું એ આપણે જોયું કે વી હેવ ટુ ટેક બ્રેક, વી હેવ ટુ ડુ બ્લિંકિંગ ઓફ અવર આઈઝ, proper diet, nutrition, limitation of our screen time, physical activity. If by all these, if you still have the symptoms, there are helpful thing is artificial tear supplements. Basically, tears are very necessary for our eyes. It lubricates our eyes. It gives immunity to from the foreign dust particles, foreign material, and it is first line defense against any pathogen into the eye. And tearing is a very good mechanism of our body. There is reflex tearing, emotional tearing as a part of natural response to the any pain also. Another thing which is nowadays very common is mask associated dry eye. What happens when we wear mask? The warm air, exhaled air, જે આપણે breathe out કરીએ છીએ, that air is very warm. That goes up and that evaporates the tear from our eye surface. And then again, it gives rise to symptoms like eye irritation, itching, burning, redness in the eye. એટલે આંખમાં ખંજવાળ આવે, કઈ ગ્રીટી, કઈ ખૂજતું હોય એવું લાગે, આંખ દુખતી હોય એવું લાગે, કઈ અનખટ થતી હોય એવું લાગે. So to prevent that, what simple measures are there? Pinch the top of your nose, top of your mask over your nose, so the air cannot go up. Or another thing is you can fix it with a tape, medical tape or micropore tape, so that it don't go up. And direct air flow, so like from fan or air condition, you have to prevent that airflow towards your eyes. Then with this mask use, there is another thing which happens is fogging of your glass. Many glasses wearers might have faced this. That is also because of this exhaled air going up and cooling down on the glass. So to prevent that, the proper fitting of the mask, you can either put a tap on the mask. Okay. During COVID-19, another thing which I've seen in my practice, people are postponing their visit for symptoms which are very necessary to get urgent eye checkup. So જ્યારે આવા symptoms હોય તો during any period, any peak of the COVID-19 cases, you have to go and get your eyes checked, like sudden diminution of vision. અચાનક આંખમાં દેખાતું બંધ થઈ જાય, આંખમાં આગળ કઈ ફ્લેશિસ એટલે કે લાઇટના ઝબકારા થતા હોય એવું લાગે, કે કઈ ઉડતું હોય એવું અચાનક વધી જાય આંખના સામે, આંખમાં સખત દુખાવો એક સડનલી થવા લાગે, then it can be sign of raised pressure in the eyes. Then another thing, any eye injury or redness of eye with discharge. આંખ લાલ થાયને સાથે આંખમાંથી પિયા નિકળે કે ડિસ્ચાર્જ આવે. Another thing, તમે જો ડાયાબિટીક રેટિનોપેથી એટલે પડદામાં સોજો ડાયાબિટીસના લીધે આવ્યો હોય, કે આંખનું પ્રેશર વધી જતું હોય, આવા કઈ સિમ્પટમ્સ કે આવી કોઈ તમારી ટ્રીટમેન્ટ ચાલતી હોય, તો COVID-19 પેન્ડેમિકમાં પણ તમારા શેડ્યુલ ટાઈમ પ્રમાણે તમારે આંખનું ચેકઅપ કરાવવાનું. Because of this lockdown, people are avoiding and ignoring these symptoms which are danger if not treated on time, that can make you blind. So these are the things which I want to tell you. Now you can ask any question
Thank you, doctor, so much. We have a few questions to put forward to you. I would want to know that during this pandemic, is it safe to wear contact lenses?
Contact, when you don't want to wear glasses, you can wear contact lenses, but where it is seen that contact lens wearer tends to touch their eyes very frequently. So basically, for protection against COVID, we don't have to touch our eyes. We are advising avoid touching of your eyes. So if you are comfortable with your glasses, it is better to wear glasses rather than contact lens during this pandemic.
And why do we feel eye twitching sometimes? What is
Yeah, this is very common question and very common symptom. Basically, eye twitching. What is that? For all the viewers, આંખની આજુબાજુના મસલ ફરકતા હોય એવું લાગે. આંખ બધા એવું કે ફરકે છે બહુ. શું કામ થાય? મોસ્ટ કોમન રીઝન ઇઝ કઈ સ્ટ્રેસ હોય, અથવા તો સ્લીપ પ્રોપર ના થઈ હોય, અથવા તો તમે બોડીનું હાઇડ્રેશન વોટર ઇન્ટેક ઓછું થયું છે, ડિહાઇડ્રેશન ઇઝ વેરી કોમન, લો electrolytes like low magnesium, and sometimes because of dry eye also you feel this twitching. So the basic message is take proper rest to give proper rest to your body and eyes, and then if also not going away, then you need to see what is the problem.
Doctor, is reading in dark room injurious to eyes?
Yes. What happens if the room is too dark? Then our pupils get dilated, and when pupils get dilated, every light goes inside. So that harmful blue light from the screen, it goes much in a large amount. It goes into the eyes. So it is not advisable at all to read in dark room.
What about those blue light filters we have on the phone?
Sorry?
The blue light filters, what we have on the phone, is that effective?
Yeah. We can use that blue light filters, and there are available option on that blue light filtering glasses also. There are studies showing benefit 50-50%. 50% of the study says it is beneficial. 50% of the study says no, it is not giving promising result. But yeah, blue light is naturally present in the sunlight, and our screen also emits it. So for maintenance of our circadian rhythm, it is necessary, but artificial blue light, it's not good for. So blue light filter on the laptop and computer and mobile, it's useful. And anti-glare reflection or an anti-glare coating over screen is also very helpful.
So you advise that to do it for our kids who are taking online classes?
Sorry, again.
You also advise the same to do it for our kids who are doing online classes?
For kids, you maintain one proper desk where according to their height you adjust the screen height. Then bigger the screen, you can put it distance from the child. So screen mirroring devices are available, or you can mirror your phone over the screen. So that is also very good idea for child to use.
Right. Okay.
Rather than seeing.
If somebody is having a computer work and they are wearing this bifocal or progressive lenses, so is it advisable, or do you have anything else on this note?
Yes. So if you wear bifocal, then bifocal gives rise to give you two correction. One is for near correction and one is for distance, but it will not include your intermediate distance, desk which on desk, like a arm distance where you work on your computer. So progressive glass is advisable because progressive માં તમારા ત્રણ distance cover થશે: near work, intermediate and distance.
Okay. So if there is a continuous near work increment in the daily course, so will it give will it put strain on the eyes and give us numbers?
Sorry, it's
There is a constant near work.
yes.
So will it increase the number?
Yes, studies has shown for the children, constant near work without breaks can give rise to myopia, that is nearsightedness. દૂરના number આવી શકે છે. Because when we do near work, our muscles, ciliary muscles get contracted and they work. That is process is called accommodation. And that muscles, when used for prolonged time, sometimes it gives rise to the change in the shape of cornea and eye, and it gives rise to number. So one very much concern is that by end of 2050 there will be epidemic of this myopia, nearsightedness in a children. So it's very much concern nowadays. So that's why we need to take care of the children and we need to encourage them how to use our screen in a healthy manner.
Okay, doctor, there's a question popping up from the audience that about the blue glass, that blue lens maybe, recommended for online classes. We have spoken about it. They're asking about the blue glass.
Yeah, blue filter glasses, blue protect, that is called blue protect. So I told and I am again telling that studies suggest 50% of the studies are agreeing that it is giving protection, 50% is saying no, it's not at all useful much. But yeah, by using them, that it is no, there is no harm. But along with that, you have to encourage what which I talked today, that not only કે blue protect વાળું glass આપી દીધેલો છે એટલે હવે એને કઈ problem નથી. ઓકે, તો બીજા જે વિઝ્યુઅલ પ્રોટેક્શન ના મેજર્સ લેવાના છે એ પણ સાથે જરૂરી છે.
Okay, doctor.
Okay.
Is there any takeaway message for our audience for today?
Yes, during nowadays also 2 peaks of COVID-19 has gone, but still take care of yourself, get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible. Encourage your child to use screen in a healthy manner, because harmful effect over their eyes and their mental status is very concerned. So, and for adults and those who are more than 40 years of age and not using glasses for your screen work, get your sight checked and use proper correction, and then we wear your then do your work. And if I talked about the dangerous symptoms, for that do not neglect it and take care of your eyes.
About the dryness in eyes, doctor, if is there any recommendation for any regular usage of some eye drop or something to avoid eye dryness?
Basically, our natural tears are sufficient enough to keep our eyes moist, but when we look at screen, our blinking decreases. So we need to remember and blink our eyes several times to prevent that. We can avoid dryness of eyes by avoiding AC and direct blow of air over eyes. And then also, if you are feeling dryness, then yes, proper tear supplements can be used, but over the counter drops for eyes like Netra Prabha and all, it is not advisable to use because they aggravate dryness, because that type of drop contains some preservatives, and that preservatives again give rise to dry, and that will aggravate your symptoms. That will give you momentary relief because of the camphor and menthol, but over a longer period of time it is not helpful.
And last question is, washing your eyes with water frequently is advisable?
Yes, we can do it up to 2 to 3 times a day, not more than that. If we are doing more than that, then we are actually washing out our natural tears, because our natural tears has all the anti-inflammatory properties and anti-infective properties. So 2 to 3 times a day, not more than that.
Okay. So there's a dentist who's asking that they are already using UV rays for treating the patient.
Yes.
So, and they do use blue coated glasses with protective eyewear over them. So what's the shelf life of those blue coated eyeglasses?
Yes, there are available. You can we have to see the optician. They have this check that still these glasses are filtering these UV rays or no. So that check test they will do over their glass. So that they will suggest. So ideally, it is recommended that you get it checked from your optician, and they will check it.
Okay. So we have come to the end of the session. Thank you so much, Dr. Fatima, for being with us today and imparting your precious information to all of us. Hope this will be helpful. And next Saturday, we would be coming up with another specialist from Burhani Hospital. Thank you so much, audiences, for joining us today. And thank you, Doctor, once again for sparing your precious